Alright, dudes and dudettes, welcome back to another day in Mr. Savage's math class. Today we're going to be working on 6.6, multiplying two decimals. And of course, the first thing we need to do is update our table of contents, which I've already done. So if you need to pause here to do that, go ahead and do that, and then just join us back on the other side. Alright, so today we're going to find out how we can multiply two decimal points. And we already know how to multiply whole numbers. We've already multiplied a decimal by a whole number. So today we're going to multiply a decimal by a decimal. So I'm going to use number 1 and number 3 from guided practice as my examples. So my first one would be 9 3/10 times 4 1/10. So the first thing I got to do is multiply 1 times 3 is 3. 1 times 9 is 9. Then I'm going to put my placeholder. 4 times 3 is 12. Oh wait, whoa. Did that wrong, guys. 4 times 3 is 12, so I carried a 1. 4 times 9 is 36, plus 1 makes 37. So then I'm going to do 3 plus my placeholder is 3. 9 plus 2 is 11. Carried a 1. 1 plus 7 is 8. And then bring down the 3. So now the last step of my problem is to find out where do I place the decimal points. And the way I do that is I circle the numbers behind the decimal and both of my numbers that I'm multiplying. So I have 1, 2. Okay? So then I go down here, 1, 2. So my decimal is going to be between the 8 and the 1 because I have two numbers behind decimal points in my multiplication problem. I'm going to have two numbers behind my product. I'm going to have, in my product, I'm going to have two numbers behind the decimal point. Let's try one more. So let's do number 3. Let's go ahead and do 7/10 times 1 9/10. And what I would like you guys to do is go ahead and pause the video right here, work the problem out, and then come back to the video after you worked it out so you can check your answer and we can see how you're doing, okay? So my first step should have been 9 times 7 is 56. Wait, 9 times 7 is 63. Carry the 6. 9 times 0 is 0, plus 6, 63. Now I need to put a placeholder. 1 times 7, 7. Now I need to add my two partial products together. 3 plus my placeholder is 3. 7 plus 6 is 13. Now my last step is to find out where does my decimal point go. So I circle the numbers behind my decimal point. I have two digits to the right of the decimal point in my multiplication problem. So my product, I'm going to have two digits to the right of my decimal point. So it's going to go between 1 and 33. So what I need you guys to do is I need you guys to go to guided practice. I need you guys to go on page 146. And then I need you guys to do numbers 2 through 8 even. Now remember, when you get done with that, you're going to go have Miss Russell or I check it, and then you're going to do independent practice. independent practice for today. This is going to be on page 146 and 147. And we're going to do 9 through 28, all of them. Now remember, we don't start independent practice before Miss Russell or I check your work. Alright guys, have a great day.